Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a very special treat today. We are opening the Galaxy Watch Ultra in the orange version. It has LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. It's a 47mm face, band, wireless charge, USB-C, quick start guide, whatever. How pretty. I think I'm going to swap out the band for a white one eventually.
Oh, it's double-sided.
Ooh. Looks like so. Oh, what the heck? So I'm assuming this is the band. Gonna open it really quick. Yep, this is the band. Orange. It's double. Pretty nice. I think this is magnetic on both sides. Okay, cool. And then time for the watch itself. I guess it has another safety seal, whatever. Oh, it's just like a sticker. Oh wow, that's pretty. Ooh. Okay, that's quite heavy. Not gonna lie here. It looks really nice. The Ultra buttons are orange. It won't stick though. Oh, you have to push it in. Okay. I thought it was like magnetic, but I mean, okay, it's pretty sturdy though. It's like it's in there tight. Like, is that the right way to wear it? Like, that's pretty orange. Oh, there it goes. Oh wow. As this is turning on, I'm going to see if there is a charger. Okay, cool. The vibration sound is like really nice on this. Language. English. You just swipe back. I guess I have to connect with my phone, but I'm about to unbox that in my next video with this one, the Z Fold 6 in the pink version. So it comes with this awesome watch, face head, band, and a charger. I really like the orange one, not gonna lie. I was originally wanting the white one, but I can always just change this band with a white one and go that way. But like, okay, it's a little big, but I mean, it's okay, right? That is the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and hit that like button, and watch the next video. Goodbye.